Hey guys, Rad Performance here. So right now we have the dashboard in. There are some bolts that go up and in, and there is the bolt that holds it in the center. So right now we just have to put the two in the back here, which goes in line with our tray, top, insert of the center console. Everything here is stock 84 vinyl. There's a little modern Alcantara. Then this is still stock. I just painted it with Rust-Oleum 2X, which you can use in the freezing cold if you have a heat gun. Pro tip. So we're going to go ahead and install this. That was interesting, but not that difficult. You have to bring him nearly vertical. And now I'm going to slip in the topper piece of the console, and we're going to see what it looks like. Okay guys, speed run rant on the 3rd Gen Camaro Center Console installation. This thing is brain dead. You have to take the center console, put it up over your shoulder and mount it up here. So that way, then you can hook it at a 45 to almost 90 degree angle to get him to go down, come around. And so that way you can actually get this in while you're like smacking and scraping this in the face just to get it barely in here. Oh, and then of course to set it actually down, you can't have this down. Otherwise the spring sticks out, at least on mine, and it digs into here and it won't let you actually set it down. So you have to come back like this and then swoop it in to get it all the way in. And then this is a pain in the ass. They were doing some serious blow because this is brain dead how difficult it is to lift this dash. You have to lift this bracket around him, and you have to put him in sideways and lift him up all weird angles to get him in, just for this thing. I mean, this is nearly vertical. My thing doesn't like to stay in place, but, like, you could have made this easier, guys. Hey guys, Rad Performance here. So I just finished up. I mounted this in properly. There's two bolts that go in, which are like a clip design, which are kind of weird. Then there's two more that go into the actual floorboard itself, those are shorter, just screw type bolts. So I painted those with quite literally a color match interior paint, interior for like interior houses. We're gonna see how that works, but it looks pretty damn good. Those are stock, just cleaned them, same here. The main panel that's larger in the back tucks in behind the little lower panel that's like an armrest. This is all interior coated with a sample paint match because this is not black, this is charcoal. So black automotive spray paint didn't exactly work for my application because it would be too far off and too drastic of a color change. So I put these guys back in, everything is done here. I homemade some, I get my camera to focus, some studs with some nuts. One bolt just fit in. I need to glue this back on. That's the stock interior bolts. Catches decently well. I think there's something better that could go in there, but oh well. Yeah, so it's coming along. I need to figure out how to fasten this side. These things really do a lot. If you see that black circle, has two Phillips head screws in it that go into the sheet metal. I need to find the one for this side and then reinstall it. That's all for this update. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Support the project. See you guys in the next one.